go on Lily? Oh.
Lift a leg. The other leg. Like you're like I'm dipping you. So you gotta look. Let go. Put your arm out. Oh my god.
Are we moving? Oh, that's wet.
So this is Southampton.
We're gonna move soon.
So where were we staying yesterday? Where's the Premier Inn?
Did you see where we were?
No, where were we?
IKEA, we were over there.
So let's do a scope for everybody. So you got Holiday Inn.
When are we gonna move?
So it was Holiday Inn there.
When are we moving?
Holiday Inn is there,
Yeah. So that's your Holiday Inn.
Then when you go over to the left,
That grey building, that's that pyramid, isn't it?
pyramid.
Yeah, the Alexandra Hotel, something like that?
Leonardo.
Leonardo.
That's the Leonardo. Then
Yeah.
when you scan over here,
Yeah.
then behind IKEA is the Premier Inn. So if you're staying in the Premier Inn, walk this way towards
Yeah.
Holiday Inn and you'll come in this way.
Yeah.
Do
Where
not
I should have gone.
Walk all the way up here.
Yeah.
all the
Do
way
not
up
walk all the way up there
then
to go
come
to that
up
port there.
and come in that way. Do
Yeah.
not do that.
So that's that like the bridge bit we kept seeing on the videos.
Yeah.
So that's where we should have gone. Oh look, you can see that.
Do you walk down this way? Go down.
You can see that entrance that's saying that we walked through.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.